Ooh, hello there. This is not. No, I thought this was a fair lady, but I'm looking for my boys. Oh! Alright. So, oh, come on. Come down this way. Turn left. Yeah, no. Damn it, you went that way. Oh no, it is. It is like you have to realize, like, rich people, they love Porsches, bro. This shit is clean as fuck. Oh. I'm looking for. I'm gonna start doing like Keon does, looking for like Instagrams and stuff. Too many guys watching there. You.
I wasn't gonna go and drive. I just had to go.
I forgot where I was going. Don't mind me. I'm sorry. I'm focused. Oh, hold on. 1 second. Fuck your Tesla. I don't know. Hey.
Yeah, that's about right. Probably a 30. You're good. 30,
Thank you.
34.
Really? I like that.
These fools funny as shit.
I did my Chevelle's.
Oh, God. My bad, yo. I had like a bad connection, so my bad. I'm trying to like vlog and do live at the same time. Oh, hey, I love you too. It's a Bear Z. Yeah, sure.
I have one. If I needed one, I'd put it on, but I don't need it, so yeah.
I want the S2000 to come back, but I think he left. Excuse me. It's a frickin'. No, I don't know. I can't take this shit. Bro, walk. I swear, people in Maryland are just like, just dumb for like no reason, bro. Alright, fuck this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Kitty. Kitty. Do what you gotta do. Don't mind me. Yeah, what? Stop.
I had to ride all the way there.
These guys
What? Oh, where? I didn't see no furry. Oh yeah, I see it. Hold on. I'm gonna go over there. I'm doing what my dad does.
You'll get it. Pray for no rain.
It's a doggy.
Yeah.
Up. Look at this. Dude, walk behind me, bro. Why are you gonna walk behind me? Fucking stupid. Like, this is how. Oh, bro. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah. You keep going, buddy. Come on. Come on. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. No.
Oh, you mean where the joint? Oh, you have rings. You have 3 rings that are in there.
I'm just. Hey, are you going to like Subi Fest tomorrow? Me and Vix are going. I think.
That's good.
I used to love these freaking cars, but I don't know. I just grew out of it. Like it's actually like both of these like used to actually be like one of my dream cars. I was about to start it up. You gonna do it? Like, I don't have time for this. This shit sounds like a beast. It's a DeLorean.
Car makes you want to hide my weed.
Oh my god! Did you hear what that fucking guy said?
Makes you want to hide my weed.
They're talking about weed. I'm leaving. This dude said that car makes you want to hide his weed. It's a fucking DeLorean. You know what? I'm gonna get a picture. Hold on 1 second. Let me get a picture right quick. I'm sorry. I'm just reacting to people's reaction. It's like so funny, bro. Man, my battery's going dead already. Oh, Subi.
There was a guy in there, but I didn't know this guy.
I'm sorry. I always like pick like tuner cars over like regular. Oh, he's coming back. Alright, fuck this. Hey, Keon, if you see this, like, is this the one you was talking about that you seen at like the Cars and Coffee?
That's like a lot like
It was like, hold up, ADD kicked in. Hold on. Yo, is this the one that you seen at like the Cars and Coffee? And like, I think you said you went to like an East Baltimore one. Was this the one? Hold up, I'm about to see. Cause, yeah, this is the one. Oh shit. This is the one that Keon saw at like one of the Cars and Coffees and shit. It was like on bags or something. Yo, people act like cameras like a fucking brand new thing, bro. Like, oh my god, they're fucking recording. Oh. Hey! It's the police, they're coming to get me.
Yeah, he should be here any minute.
I was harassing the police. Hi, hola, ¿cómo estás? See that? It's the police. He's coming to get me, so I have to go. Alright? I did bad shit. Oh, and it's a Beetle.
It's like I choose.
Are you? No? Where the hell that damn Subaru go? Holy Jesus Christ! No. Look. Yeah, Jesus Christ Almighty. I'm sorry, dude. That shit is like sexy as shit. Look at this. Is that a 5.0 with a... I'm about to get a picture of this shit right here. Hold up. Oh, ooh. Yeah. Alright, hold on. Wait 1 second.
So much pain up on my body, got my mind aching. Steady racing, steady pacing, I can't be complacent. Focus on my breathing, candles lit in meditation. Success is what I'm chasing, learn the voice of being patient. Always do your best, but don't you look for confirmation, cause they will put you down before you reach your destination. Before you take off and run away with aviation, keep your goals to yourself, nigga, translation. Master all your talents and always give it your very best. Always know your worth, but don't you settle for nothing less. Take a deep breath for all the times you feeling stressed, and keep in mind, nigga, diamonds made when they pressed. I was feeling so down, lonely and depressed. I picked my head up and kept smiling on this quest. A lesson's not a lesson unless you lessen all that stress. A blessing is a blessing.